Move out with me. So this is my full moving out vlog, guys, from my 2,000 pesos bedroom apartment. So right now, let's move out. Let's get the things I have left. Lalagay natin siya dito. I only have few things left here. So the boxes, this fan, this wire, curtains, and tuwalya. That much, but let's go. So this is basically it. This one, this big one, and back, and I just need to take this, and as well as the fan. So it's all empty, and it's been a great 1 month. So eto na siya, guys. Ito na yung mga gamit ko. Ayan. Sobrang dami pa yan. Guys, gagawa ko ng video. Prepare ako over-record ngayon. Magdadrop ako ng oil, you know, for prosperity. Mag-pray ako, tapos ito po yung situation ko right now. Thank you, Lord. So right now, I'm cleaning. Ikaw bag yung ginamit ko, tapos binasa ko lang kasi wala pa akong something. And pinatong ko dito yung mga gamit ko. Okay, so guys, naglilinis ako ngayon, and yung floor is malinis na siya. And tingnan nyo yung window. So kung gaano siya kadumi. So, it's a proof na marunong ako maglinis, and I love cleaning. Tingnan nyo yan. Ulitin natin. This one. Okay. Ayan. Diba? Parang ilang buwan tong hindi na clean.